Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Electrolux oven. First, find the clock or time button on your oven's control panel. It might have a clock symbol. Once you locate it, press and hold this button for a few seconds until the current time display starts flashing. This indicates that the oven is ready for you to adjust the time. Now that the hour digits are flashing, you can adjust them. Use the plus and minus buttons or rotate the temperature selector knob to cycle through the hours. Make sure to set the correct hour for your current time. Some models may display AM or PM, so ensure that is also accurate for a precise setting. Once the hour is set, press the clock or time button one more time. This action will cause the minute digits to begin flashing, allowing you to adjust them. Similar to setting the hour, use the plus and minus buttons or rotate the temperature knob to select the precise minutes for your current time, ensuring accuracy. To finalize your clock setting, press the clock or OK button one last time. On some models, simply waiting for about 5 seconds after your last adjustment will automatically confirm the time. The display will stop flashing, indicating that your Electrolux oven's clock is now accurately set and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.